The greater part of the significant digital currencies were bound without a doubt having a tough time all through the negative exchange. LRC, then again, ended up being one of the best champs after really recapturing over 27% during the brief time frame. The convention happened while the Loopring convention was going through a critical update. How about we dive further to see whether Loopring, LRC, will energize again from here on out. What is Loopring, LRC? An open-source, screened, and non-custodial trade instrument is what Loopring, LRC, an Ethereum token, calls itself. By using zero information evidences, ZKPs, the convention vows to empower anyone to make non-custodial, decentralized trades on top of it. Resources are continually in the control of clients because of ZKPs. The guaranteed objective of Loopring is to give a half-breed trade that incorporates key components of both concentrated and decentralized trades. By utilizing half-breed draws near, the convention looks to save the upsides of decentralized trades while lessening or disposing of their shortcomings. By keeping up with the orders in a unified design while settling the arrangement on blockchain, Loopring desires to increment request execution effectiveness and DEX liquidity. The decreased exchange cost is a key advantage that Loopring plans to give. Most of exercises, including exchange and move settlement, will be taken out by Loopring away the Ethereum blockchain. Subsequently, there is a huge decrease in gas utilization and in general exchange costs contrasted with on-chain. Loopring, LRC, Fundamental Analysis. Loopring Convention Token is LRC, a stackable coin that conforms to ERC20. Digital currencies confirm exchanges utilizing this strategy, empowering resource proprietors to get motivators for their speculations. 3 different stake sorts are conceivable with LRC. 1. Anyone can stake LRC to get a part of the 70% convention expenses that all Loopring-based trades charge. 20% of the cash are shipped off the Loopring DAO, while the excess 10% are singed, or eliminated from dissemination, by being conveyed to an unusable wallet. The people group of Loopring individuals, LRC holders, concludes how these monies ought to be utilized through the Loopring DAO. 2. An trade proprietor might stake LRC for reputational and monetary solidness. 3. LRC can be marked by a trade proprietor, hire currency brokers, and market creators to bring down convention costs on a specific trade. LRC tokens have a roof on their all-out amount of 1,375,076,040. Loopring, LRC, Technical Analysis. The new cost flood for Loopring increased the cost and sent cost valuations high as can be. The cost to a great extent stayed near the 50-day straightforward moving normal. Albeit the accumulation, distribution marker distinguishes 3 major volume activities that show impressive gathering throughout the year, not even one of them was huge. Not normal for the new cost increment. Specialists' information on the specific obstruction and bagging levels is pivotal since without it, it is difficult to precisely expect the costs. Master investigation showed huge cost instability toward the beginning of the year. The outrageous unpredictability caused the overbought state and a blast in the RSI. Following the underlying cost hop, the cost of Loopring expanded consistently over the course of the following couple of months. The cost of digital currencies began to decline as the market for them continued its sideways design. The following ascent started later in the year, and following an almost too drawn-out time of union, the cost took off up to new highs, establishing new standards and expanding the worth of the Loopring token LRC. The obstruction level is on the grounds that the current costs are higher than the 50-day straightforward moving normal. Loopring, LRC, current price. Loopring is at present worth $0.354137. LRC has moved -3.16% as of now with an exchanging volume of $37,721,338. Loopring is at present position 78 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $468,632,700. Loopring, LRC, Price Prediction 2022. Loopring, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, LRC. The LRC cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.531205. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.495792 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. LRC is supposed to have a base worth of $0.424964. Loopring, LRC, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Loopring LRC cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of LRC will before long outperform $0.885342. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the LRC's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, LRC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.708274 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.779101. Loopring, LRC, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.24 in LRC might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. LRC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.13 and a low of $1.06 in 2024. Loopring, LRC, Price Prediction 2025. On the off chance that Loopring effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the LRC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, LRC will be green in 2025. The LRC is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.59. With a base cost of $1.42 and a typical cost of $1.49. Loopring, LRC, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the LRC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.84 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.77 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, LRC has a most extreme value worth of $1.95. Loopring, LRC, Price Prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organization